Yo, yes, today I'm back again. I'm helping everyone now. The hair now. That's the hair. I'm teaching everyone how to wash the braids, like bokeli, the braids is aluna, and then boys, if you've got braids, I know dog, you scared of what if something happens to my braids? What? It's okay, cool, sharp. I'll be your plug for today. Sharp. I got like these two items. It's shampoo, number one. Shampoo. Okay, and then a mousse. Yeah, a mousse. So
it was at this moment Bambino knew he messed up.
These are the two products that you'll mostly need because it's just a shampoo and a conditioner. I'll show you the conditioner as time goes. Shampoo. So cool. I'll be showing you how to do everything now. Start with the water. It's just water now. You're gonna like spray.
Sitting real good in my soul. Everywhere this little girl goes, she pick up another obstacle. She was my heart. I don't know the tribe or the fall.
Let me get a brush. Okay, I have my brush in there. So you're gonna brush like the edges because my edges are like chai dog. My edges. It's not like edges. Like the curls, no. These ones are just like the ones that you just brush forward. You brush. Cool. And then here at the back, I have to cut my hair. So you also brush. Cool. Like this thing that I'm doing, it's just for like cornrows. Because for box braids, I'm not sure that you can wash your box braids or what. Okay, so the water is coming in. Okay, and then you open lines here.
But by default, she don't think of me. I thought she was an Indian. She be slanging things like a simian. All my life I wanted
this one because it's like mist, it's water. You see, it's mist.
Now she's far away, but I had to know. Listen, I know you see it, girl. This ain't sitting real good in my soul. Everywhere this little girl goes, she pick up another obstacle. She was my heart. I don't know the tribe or the fall, but by default,
massaging your scalp so that your hair becomes clean, like clean. Massaging your scalp.
oh, she don't think of me. I thought she was an Indian, but she be slanging things like a simian. All my life I wanted me an Indian. Ooh, girl, let me in.
After this, I'm gonna like officially like take a spray, but I'll show you. I'll take care of you. I'll plug you.
In the street with a wedding ring, and she hit the box. Said he babe, are you down to cheat? He looked in the eye, chivalry. Is he really dead? He pulled out a tip. Jumping right on them, thinking was a good day in the vein.
This is like 2 weeks, yo, of not washing my hair. 2 weeks. A whole 2 weeks. Okay, it's fine. You might. I'm done washing my hair and I rinsed it off. Look, these are the results. So the results. It's clean. So it's clean. So when it's clean, now on my conditioner. So okay, cool, I'm back. So this is my conditioner. So yes, I'm not gonna put a lot because I'm clean, Joe. I'm clean boys worldwide, man. I can rub it in like this. So yes, let me just put on my so yes, now I'm gonna put on my do right now. I'm gonna put on my do. Hey, way yo, yeah, I'll see you all after. Cool guys, so this conditioner I'm gonna like apply it here for like 15 minutes, yeah, 15 minutes or so, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then after that I'm removing. I want my scalp to be clean, clean. Oh, clean. You know what's clean? Oh, pretty boys worldwide, man. If you know, you know. Oh, if you know, you know. Okay. Oh, no, let me go watch TV, man. Oh, ngisaboreka ngisemncane. Oh. 15 minutes gone. 15 minutes gone. Okay, sharp, ne? My hair is fine now, I think. Yeah, it's 15 minutes, man. Let me grab. You know I have this song in my head. Oh, it's running. Oh, it's too much. Oh, got my durek. Okay, cool. Sharp, boom. Okay, sharp, ne? Let me wash off this thing. Ne? Okay, come with me. Come with me. Come. My hair is drying off, ne? Yung ginto is drying off. And no. Now I just like, you see, rinsed the conditioner off. So next level. I'm a levels. So next level. I'm a hair dryer level. Now I stole something again. Oh, Bambino, you never listen. Yalamawa. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna dry my hair now. People that go say I know one fight, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it up? You are gone. Okay, sharp. Now I'm done drying my hair. Yeah, it's very dry. Yeah, I was playing with the hair dryer there. Guys, tell my mom I stole all her products now. That woman will kill me. This is like castor oil. Castor oil. Castor oil. This is like castor oil. This is on your hair oil. This is on your hair oil. Castor oil number 1. Okay, castor oil. This thing I've been waiting for the whole time. Yo. Okay, cool. So now my hair is all oily and what. So coming with this baby. So now just go in. I'll show you all my hair tomorrow morning because now I can't, because I need to wait for this thing too. You see, and you need to rag your do-rag. It's your only way to maintain your braids. Number 1, clean them. Number 2, always have your do-rag on. Always have your do-rag on, ne? And then even girls, always have your bonnets on. Clean your I'm not sure if you can clean like your box braids, but I'm sure of the cornrows because I just cleaned my cornrows now. So yes, yeah, so that's it. And then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Yeah, you see, I'm even stealing things for you all. I'm stealing things for you all from my mom. Do you know her mom? I'm gonna die here. I'm dying here tonight. I'm dying. If she comes in here and then she sees me here, he Bambino head right on. Yeah, so I'm gonna do my hair with the hair fryer again. So I'm gonna just head right. Okay, sharp ne. I'm done now. Ooh. You don't have. Yazin. Yo. If they're perfect, you all should like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends, your family. Then tatwaka next door. Ukubeta malao kapomang. Akupenta tatwaka next door. I subscribe. Because I subscribe really. Go for that subscribe. I don't know. First try again. This is my first try. Yes. Yazin. Yo. Ito. Get plug. I'm plugging you. I'm plugging you. You know what? Yes. So okay, cool. Sharp. I'll show you all the products that I'm using. I'll show you all the products I'm using. I'll show those are all the products that I used for my hair. Yup. My hair. Cái stadium này. My hair. So cool. It's tough. Don't forget, sleep with your durag bonnet. You don't get to sleep with it to maintain your things. They will last for long. Like mine, I have them like now for 2 weeks. So that will last. Wear a durag. Hey, it's lockdown. Wear a durag. Wear your durag. Even durag. Wear your bonnet. Wear your duke. No, don't wear your duke. Duke is chai. It's chai. Sharp. So yeah, wear those kind of things. And then we'll meet you there. You'll be hot like us. You will be hot like a heater.
I'm hot like a heater. Like a bomb. Like a bomb.
Like a heater. You'll be hot like a heater. So yes. Maintain your hair. Well, you guys think I should cut my hair? Comment down in the comments. You think I should cut my hair? Comment. Cut your hair, don't cut your hair. Cut your hair, don't cut your hair. We all decide. Because wow. Guys, so we've reached the end of this video. Yes, please like, comment and subscribe. Yes, subscribe. Share the subscribe button to shy. Nyazo izo appear la somewhere. Shy. Izo appear la. Do you suit? We shy the subscribe button. We shy. And then yeah, watch my other videos. They'll be here. Watch my other videos, and then my subscribe button will be here. Watch these other 2 videos, like about 2 videos, and then yes, I'll catch you again. Bye. Thanks for watching. Dango mistake. Asbonye bekele.